Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Sunny. Today I'm gonna be working on telling time with more explanations. So let's start the basic words. So learn how to tell time in Amharic. Understand the Ethiopian time system. These are the basic Amharic. So these are the basic words in telling time. So how do you say before? How do you say before in Amharic? So you can say before in Amharic ከበኋላ ከበኋላ. How do you say after? How do you say after? You can say after in Amharic ከበፊት. You can say after in Amharic ከበፊት. How do you say minute? How do you say minute? So minute means in Amharic ደቂቃ. How do you say second? How do you say second? So second means in Amharic, also the same pronunciation with English one, it is second. Second. How do you say hour? How do you say hour? Hour means in Amharic ሰዓት. Hour means in Amharic ሰዓት. How do you say first? How do you say first? So first means in Amharic በመጀመሪያ. First means in Amharic በመጀመሪያ. How do you say next? How do you say next? So next means in Amharic ቀጣይ. How do you say then? How do you say then? Then means in Amharic ከዚያ. How do you say finally? How do you say finally? So finally means in Amharic በመጨረሻ. Finally means in Amharic በመጨረሻ. So if I want to say 2 o'clock, how do I say that? So you would say ሁለት ሰዓት. So if you want to say 2 o'clock in Amharic, you can say in Amharic ሁለት ሰዓት. ሁለት ሰዓት. And to say after 2 o'clock, so you would say in Amharic ከሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ. So this after means በኋላ and 2 o'clock means ሁለት ሰዓት. Then in together it means ከሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ. So after 2 o'clock means in Amharic ከሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ. So asking time. So asking time is a very common daily interaction. So being polite while asking is also very necessary. So to be polite, you would say ይቅርታ ስንት ሰዓት ነው? So this means so which is basically means I'm sorry, what time is it? I'm sorry, what time is it? So this I'm sorry, what time is it means in Amharic ይቅርታ ስንት ሰዓት ነው? So how to tell time? So there are different ways to telling a time. So let's see some ones. So how to tell time? So for example 2 o'clock. This 2 o'clock means in Amharic ሁለት ሰዓት. 2 o'clock means ሁለት ሰዓት. And 9 o'clock it means ዘጠኝ ሰዓት. So 9 o'clock means ዘጠኝ ሰዓት. And 10 past 2 it means in Amharic ሁለት ሰዓት ከ10 ደቂቃ. ሁለት ሰዓት ከ10 ደቂቃ. So 10 past 2 means in Amharic ሁለት ሰዓት ከ10 ደቂቃ. And quarter past 3 it means in Amharic 3 ሰዓት ከሩብ. And half past 4 it means in Amharic 4 ሰዓት ተኩል. And quarter to 6 it means ለስድስት ሰዓት ሩብ ጉዳይ. So quarter to 6 it means in Amharic ለስድስት ሩብ ጉዳይ. So the important words you have to know is morning ጠዋት. Morning means ጠዋት. Afternoon ከሰዓት. Afternoon means ከሰዓት. And evening means ማታ. And night night means it's lalit. Night means lalit. And hour is saat. Hour means saat. And minute means daqiqa. Minute means daqiqa. And half means takul. Half means takul. And quarter means rub. Quarter means rub. So this all about timing system or in Ethiopia, timing system in Ethiopia. I think it's good for you. So thanks for watching my videos. So see you to another video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my channel. So see you. Bye.